Now, if you'd have been in Hall 6 at MACH 2020, you would have walked past the DTS stand and you would have seen that they took the biggest stand they have ever taken in the company's history. The reason for it is they had this machine, which is a pretty universal machine tool, on show. Now, this is the Correa Norma MG35. Now, this machine was launched, or we saw it at EMO last year. The flexibility on this machine is pretty unchallenged. I mean, when you look at the combination of the rotary live axis on the table with the UAD head that offers the opportunity to get to millions of positions, it means that you can tackle pretty much any face, any angle on a component. Now, the component size in question, well, this particular table, this is the 2 metre by 1.6 metre table, can take up to 10 tonnes, and you can swing 2.5 metres of component. The x-axis is 3.5 metres, the z-axis is 1.5, and the y-axis is 1.25. Now, a machine like this is really for companies that are looking to maybe stop moving parts around the machine shop. You imagine those expensive components where you're having to move from a boring machine to a milling machine. This bed milling machine will handle pretty much any machining request, and that really is where this machine becomes, or is in its element, the fact that those expensive parts that you move around the machine shop you no longer need to do. And that UAD head with its patented technology means that when you are in a position or an angled position, if you want to repeat that position, this technology enables you to do it in the most accurate manner, which again is pretty unrivaled within the industry. DTS UK are proud to be associated with Correa, and I'm not surprised. In fact, this machine was destined for a UK customer after the MACH 2020 show. Just one more point on that UAD head. This particular machine is a 6,000 RPM ISO 50 33 kilowatt head, and it's all driven by a Heidenhain TNC 640 control.